The math object in JavaScript provides a collection of advanced mathematical operations and constants. It is a static object, which means you can use all its methods and properties directly without needing to create a new instance. This object includes a comprehensive set of mathematical functions and built-in mathematical constants. There is no constructor needed as all methods are static. The floor method rounds a number down to the nearest integer, while the ceiling method rounds a number up to the nearest integer. For example, Math.floor of 3.7 results in 3, while Math.floor of -3.7 results in -4. Conversely, Math.ceil of 3.2 results in 4, and Math.ceil of -3.2 results in -3. The round method returns the nearest integer, while the truncate method simply removes the decimal places. For instance, Math.round of 3.7 is 4, and Math.round of 3.2 is 3. Math.trunc of 3.7 is 3, and Math.trunc of -3.7 is -3. The math object in JavaScript allows you to find the minimum and maximum values from a list of numbers. For example, using Math.min on the numbers 5, 12, 8, 15, and 9 returns 5, while using Math.max on the same numbers returns 15. You can also use the spread operator with arrays to find the minimum value. The math object also provides a random function which generates a random decimal number between 0, inclusive, and 1, exclusive. To generate a random integer between a minimum and maximum value, both inclusive, you can use the provided function which uses Math.floor and Math.random. The JavaScript math object provides common trigonometric functions such as sine, cosine, and tangent. The method Math.sin computes the sine of an angle, given in radians. For example, Math.sin of Math.pi divided by 2 is 1. Math.cos calculates the cosine of an angle, also in radians. For instance, Math.cos of Math.pi equals -1. The method Math.tan computes the tangent of an angle, once again in radians. As an example, Math.tan of Math.pi divided by 4 equals 1. Also included is Math.sin, which gives the arcsine in radians. All of these trigonometric methods in JavaScript work with radians and not degrees. To convert from degrees to radians, the given formula must be used. To convert from radians back to degrees, a different conversion formula must be used. The math object in JavaScript provides several logarithmic functions. Math.log computes the natural logarithm, which is base e of a given number. For example, Math.log of Math.e gives the result 1. Math.log 10 computes the base 10 logarithm. For example, Math.log 10 of 1000 is 3. There is also Math.log 2 which computes the base 2 logarithm. For instance, Math.log 2 of 8 is equal to 3. These functions can be applied in many practical ways. One example is using them to calculate the logarithm with any given base. Another example is calculating decibels from intensity ratio. This is also explained here. JavaScript provides common mathematical algorithms using the math object. For calculating the Euclidean distance between 2 points, a function is provided using Math.hypot. Similarly, a function using Math.hypot is given to calculate the magnitude of a vector. The average or the mean of an array of numbers can be calculated by using the reduce function followed by division. Similarly, the standard deviation can be calculated using a different formula involving a reduce function, and finally, using Math.sqrt. Linear interpolation, or lerp, is a way to find a point at a specific position between 2 points, using a given formula. A function to check if a number is a power of 2 using bitwise operations is also provided. Another function to find the next power of 2 is given by using Math.pow and Math.ceil. A function to clamp a number between a minimum and maximum is also provided, as well as a function to map a number from one range to another. These utilities are commonly used in graphics, animation, and data processing applications. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.